Hi friends, it is Thursday, April the 25th. I need to get started on the bridal package. Who's asking for stickers, images for a destination bachelorette party to Nashville, Tennessee. So I need to draw me some boots and guitars and all that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to do that. So I went to Hobby Lobby today and I saw this cute corgi figurine and I thought, oh, he's so cute, but he's a fawn or a golden corgi. And then I thought, you know, I'm going to take him home and I'm going to paint him to look like Dexter. Oh, isn't he adorable? I'm excited. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Oh, did I wake you up? Oh, baby boy. I'm bored. Grandma is so boring. Okay, these are the sketches of my Nashville Bachelor Bash commission that I'm working on. That's what I'm drawing, but right now I am working on the word Nashville. I'm using Affinity Designer. Hey friends, it is Saturday, April the 27th, and I've gone down a rabbit hole. So I've been working on illustrations in regards to the Bachelorette Bash in Nashville. I did the cowboy boot, the cowboy hat, cowgirl hat. What I'm doing next is the disco ball, and I started on it yesterday. I created the sphere, and I knew it was going to have horizontal lines and vertical lines. Well, they're squares, but the more they go out, the more odd shaped they are. So I'll still call them squares because they have 4 corners. But I'm going to have to make a square for every square that's inside the sphere. So I'm thinking, do I do them thick? Do I to have a few to work with? Or do I do them thin to have more to work with? Well, of course I chose the latter. It's very tedious. I started on it in Affinity Designer on my iPad. Hopefully I'll get it done today before I have to or before I settle down for the evening in the living room. But yeah, it's become a tedious job, a rabbit hole, and I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. I really don't know what I'm doing with it. So let me show you what I've done, or what I've done so far. See all the lines, the vertical and the horizontal lines that end up making the billion squares. So I have had to go in and fill in each square individually, and I'm going to have to do it with the whole ball. So I'm not sure how else to make a disco ball, but yep, that's where we're at right now. But what I'm going to do now is save it to the iCloud so that I can work on it on my iMac. So let me figure this out here. So it's about an hour later, but I'm done with the sphere for today. It's just so much that I need to take a break from it. So what else do I have? I'll show it to you too. Oh, I haven't done the guitar yet. I did a cat shoe. I still have yet to do the guitar, the skull, and the horseshoe. Here's the disco ball. I'm gonna wait for last to do that, to finish it, because it's coming out okay, but I tell you, wow. Okay, let's continue. Good morning, friends. It is Monday morning, April the 29th. Yes, April the 29th. I've got my blank weekly planner here. Love Mondays. Can't wait to see what I'm going to do the rest of this week. So I'm going to be working on that this morning. And then a lot of this week I'm going to be working on the Nashville Bachelorette bash. And let me show you my guitar. There's my guitar. I do have the color theme that she wants used. So I'm going to be changing everything to her color theme. I'm excited. This is going to be fun. Let's go ahead and get started with planning the week and working on the Nashville Bachelorette bash.